The amount of torque steer on this car sucks. However, that's okay. We have a solution for that in this video. Now look, it looks like a tiny little part. Someone might be like, well, maybe you need bigger tires or better wheels or coils or all that good stuff. But no, we don't want to spend all that money. We want to spend $100. So a lot of people skip over this part, but you can get a really high quality torque mount for your car. And what it's going to do, it's going to eliminate all the wheel spin on this car, and it's going to firm up the shifting. All right, that's irrelevant, doesn't matter. We got these great little bushings, if you want to call them. Well, they're not bushings, but basically they're little inserts that you can put in the torque mount. It makes it, however, extremely uncomfortable to drive if you're going to daily the car. So I don't know if I'm going to do it, but it was only $8. What we're going to have to do now is jack it up, get under. I think there might be a turbo pipe, not the turbo pipe, for the intercooler, the pipe in the way. We might have to remove that to get to the torque mount. But we'll see when we're down there. Yeah, the stupid pipe's in the way. So. Oh, alright guys, I just inhaled some WD-40. But this bolt is a piece of shit, basically. It's rusted. I can't get it out. I've tried everything. I don't have a blowtorch. I've hit it with like 3 different penetrating oils and it won't come out at all. So there's gonna be no more torque mount, unfortunately. I'm just playing, guys. We're gonna do this torque mount one way or another.
Alright, we got an extension on the breaker bar, but I really don't know if it's gonna do it.
I'm gonna break my ratchet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You're not happy?
I am. Oh, it's off.
All right, guys, look at the difference, man. This is a solid bushing. This car is gonna have no wheel spin, man. We're gonna gap everything. You know what I'm saying? We might gap, 1,000 horsepower Supras with just this model alone. Nah, but for real, this is gonna make a huge difference. This bushing was on its last legs. It was old, rotten. I mean, look at it, and look at the new one.
Out of it. Like, that's like not good.
Yeah.
This is like moving. That's not good. Before we even start trying to put the mount in, we want to figure out how to put these pins in. I don't think you should do that either. And they don't really go in. Wow.
We pulling strings like maestros. Walk tight ropes with both eyes closed. Big bully on the micro. Cut your excess like lipo. Want smoke with us, you might show. Boss talk for my dialos. It's a celebration with a pyro. Been been on the grind, it's been a long ride. 4 years and counting still arrived on time. Told my mama we gon' be alright. Told my brothers you shine.
After multiple days of doing this, we stripped a bolt in the process. Well, the bolt wasn't stripped, but the threads on the inside where the bolt goes was stripped. So we had to re-thread that and figure that all out. We didn't record the full process putting it in, but I'm gonna show you guys underneath what went on. This is the old mount. And again, like, look, everything is like so mushy. Not good at all. I only put 4 pins in it, which is this. But basically where this blue part is where the pins are. We have 4 in here, so 2 here and then 2 going this way.
Okay guys, this mount absolutely sucked to put in. We lubed it up real good and it still wouldn't do anything, so it took us about 8 hours.
This is kind of everything we really used in the process of this. So as you could tell, a lot kind of went wrong. That's the old bolt. But anyways, we're getting the car finally lowered down. We're gonna take the Volvo out and really test it, show you everything. Hopefully it made a difference. Hopefully this $100 was worth it. If not, it still probably was worth it in the sense that our old mount was really messed up.
Alright guys, right off the bat, this thing is like not supposed to be dailied anymore. It vibrates so much, it's insane. I'm gonna warm the car up a little before we start ripping it on it, but I'm gonna show you guys how it's like planted. It doesn't go side to side anymore.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. That's a huge difference. It's much more stable and the shifts are more crisp. How do I explain it? Everything's like tightened. Before there was a lot of sloppiness between the gears. It's just so planted. 100% guys, this is the best $100 you can spend if you have a front wheel drive car and you wanted to eliminate all the torque steer. This is the best mod you're gonna get on the market. It feels quicker too.
Really?
Yeah, probably because it's more.
Because it's not spinning. I'm noticing. I definitely need to show them at like a light the vibration that's going on, like when you take off. Like look at, like put your hand against it.
You can see guys how much it vibrates. It's really. I could see why they said do not put all the little pins inside because it's like unbearable. Even with just half, it's really bad. And when you do put the car in first gear, it makes so much vibration noises.
We'll show you that in a second.
If you saw that, I don't know if you can on the camera, but it's really stiff now. Y'all will see that next video. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let us know down in the comments what other parts you guys would like us to buy for the Volvo. Also, we did just create an Instagram. The link for it is going to be in our bio at Gearshift Duo. Until next time.